If yesterday class continuation, yesterday two problems completed. Third problem, if a bar equal to 3 y power 4 z square into I plus 4 x cube z square j minus 3 x square y square k 3 x square y square k. Then show that it is a solenoidal. It is a solenoidal. In solution, given a bar equal to what is the given vector? Here we have to show that given vector is a solenoid. So solenoid means divergence of given vector equal to 0. Divergence of a given vector equal to 0. So given a bar equal to 3y power 4 z square I bar 4x cube z square j bar 3x square y square k cap. This is the given vector. So here we have to find the divergence of A. If divergence of A equal to 0, then we have to say that given vector A bar is a solenoidal vector. So divergence of A means del dot A bar. Already we know that what is the del. What is the del operator? I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into dot a bar. So what is the given vector? 3y power 4 z square I plus 4x cube z square j plus minus 3x square y square k. This is the given vector. Next, differentiation. I dou by dou x. Here 3y power 4 z square I dot I equal to 1. Okay. Plus dou by dou y. We have only j dot j. 4x cube z square plus dou by dou z. Dou by dou z. So dou by dou z means k dot k equal to 1 minus 3x square y square. So here differentiation with respect to x, but here y power for z square. So y comma z differentiation with respect to x 0, and here differentiation with respect to y. But here we have x comma z. So x comma z differentiation with respect to y also 0. And next z differentiation here with respect to z. But here we have x square y square. X comma y differentiation with respect to z 0. So divergence of a bar equal to 0. So if del dot a bar equal to 0, then we can say that given vector is a solenoidal vector. Given vector is a solenoidal vector. Solenoidal vector. Given vector is a solenoidal vector. Next one, fourth one. Second problem, fourth one. If a bar equal to given vector, if a bar equal to x square z I cap minus 2y cube z square j cap plus xy square z xy square z k cap, then find divergence a bar at point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. What is the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1? In solution, here we have to find the divergence of A at point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. So here x is 1, y is minus 1, z is 1. Okay. In solution, what is the given vector? Given vector A bar equal to x square z I minus 2y cube z square j plus xy square z. Divergence of A bar equal to del dot A bar. What is the del I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. What is the A bar? Given vector x square z minus 2y cube z square plus xy square z. Next to differentiation. Only we have I dot I equal to 1, j dot j equal to 1 and k dot k equal to 1. From that rule, dou by dou x into x square z plus dou by dou y minus 2y cube z square plus k into k dot k equal to 1, directly dou by dou z into x y square z. Next differentiation. Here differentiation with respect to x. So x square differentiation 2x and z constant. So divergence of A bar equal to, here we get x square differentiation 2x into z constant minus, so 2 constant, and y cube differentiation with respect to y 3y square. So 3 into 2 6 y square z square constant plus here x y square z. So x comma y square constant, z differentiation with respect to z 1. We get x y square. This is the divergence of A only. Divergence of A only. So after we have to find divergence of A at point x comma y comma z. At point x comma y comma z. In x place we have to substitute one value. In y place we have to substitute -1, and in z place we have to substitute one value. Okay. Here given point is 1 comma -1 comma 1. So x equal to 1, y equal to -1 and z equal to 1. So what is the divergence of A value? Divergence of A equal to divergence of A equal to, we get the answer is 2xz minus 6y square z square plus xy square at point 1 comma -1 comma 1. 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. So 2 into x, y, z. So what is the x value? 1 and z value also 1. Minus 6 into what is the y value? Minus 1 square. Y square means minus 1 square and z square 1 square plus what is the x? 1 y square minus 1 whole square. So here 2 minus here 1 minus 6 plus here minus 1 square means 1 1. So 3 minus 6 minus 3. What is the answer? Minus 3. So divergence of A bar at point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 equal to, we get the answer is minus 3. Next, vector integration. Vector integration. Here we have line integration, surface integration and volume integration. In this chapter we have line integration, surface integration and volume integration. The vector integration include the line include line integration, comma surface integration and volume integration. In this lesson we have integrations, vector integrations. In that, line integration, surface integration and volume integration. So first one, line integration. What is the line integration? The integration of a vector along a curve is called its line integral. Generally, line integration represented with letter L and surface integration S and volume integration V. So first two definitions, vector field definition and scalar field definition. After that, gradient of a scalar field. After that, divergence of a vector field. So gradient of a scalar field, we have some problems, and divergence of a vector field also some problems.